Tell me honestly, when was the last time you opened a email that wasn't from your boss or Swiggy saying your biryani is on the way? Now you might think this is email marketing. Bro, who even reads email these days? Everyone is on Instagram Reels now. But here's the truth. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools for businesses in India, and if you master it, you can literally sell anything from samosas to software. Today, I am going to explain email marketing and automation with real life examples and a little bit of masala. Before that, if you want to watch other episodes from this masterclass, check the podcast in the above cards. So, now let me tell you a quick story. A small business owner in Pune, let's call him Ramesh Boy, started an online store selling organic laddoos. He ran Facebook ads, got some traffic, but most people visited once and never come back. Classic story, right? Then he started collecting emails on his website, offering a free healthy eating guide. People downloaded it, gave their emails, and boom. Now Ramesh Boy had a list of 2000 plus people who were already interested in health and sweets. Every week, he sent them emails with tips like 5 benefits of desi ghee and of course, product offers. Within 3 months, his email campaigns brought in more sales than his Facebook ads. And the best part is, he didn't have to keep paying for ads again and again. That's the power of email marketing, my friends. Now let's see some basics of email marketing. Okay, let's break it down. Email marketing is basically using emails to build a relationship with your audience and drive sales. There are 3 key parts in this. First one, list building. Collecting email addresses. For example, Zomato asking for your email when you sign up so they can spam. Oops, sorry, I mean inform you about food discounts. Tools you can use is Mailchimp, ConvertKit, Brevo, etc. Second one, email campaigns. Sending emails to your subscribers. For example, Flipkart sending you big billion days sale emails. Admit it, we have all clicked on this at least once. Emails can be newsletters, promotions, or even stories. Third one, automation. That is where the magic happens. For example, you add a kurta to Myntra cart, but don't check out. Next day you get an email. Hey, your kurta is still waiting for you. That's not a human sending it. It's automation doing the hard work while the marketing team is probably enjoying chai. Let's quickly talk about types of email campaigns. First one, welcome emails. Like when you sign up for Paytm and they send welcome to the Paytm family. Feels like a wedding invitation. Second one, newsletters. Brands like Your Story or Money Control send you daily updates. Third one, promotional emails. Amazon's deal of the day that makes us buy things we don't need. Fourth one, cart abandonment emails. As I said, Myntra, Byju, Nike, all master of this. Fourth one, re-engagement emails. If you stop using Swiggy, they will send you come back. Your chicken biryani misses you. Now we are gonna see why email still wins in India. Now you might ask, why email when WhatsApp marketing is a thing? Well, WhatsApp is great, but email has a few superpowers. It's cheaper. Sending 10,000 emails is peanuts compared to running ads. Second one is more professional, especially for B2B businesses. B2B means business to business. Third one, long form content works better, like sharing blogs, guides, offer, etc. And let me give you a fact. According to Statista, for every 1 rupee spent on email marketing, the average return is around 36 rupees. Not bad, right? Even Ambani could be impressed with the ROI. Now we are going to see some tools and how to get started. So if you are just starting out, here's a 3 simple step plan. First one, pick a tool. Start with free versions like Mailchimp, Brevo or ConvertKit. Second one, create a lead magnet, something free in exchange for email, like an ebook, discount code, or even a free webinar. For example, an online saree store giving 5 styling tips for festive season as a free guide. Third one, setup automation. Start small with a welcome sequence. Later, add cart, abandonment, product recommendation, etc. Now we see some real life Indian examples of automation. We are seeing Nike sends Skinska routing emails based on your last purchase. We also see Zomato that sends lunchtime emails saying watch for lunch exactly when your stomach is growling at 1 pm. We also see Byju. They said if you sign up for a free class, they will send you 7 reminder emails, 3 SMS, and maybe even send a pigeon to your house until you buy their course. Right? Okay, that is slight exaggeration, but you get it. So to tap it out, email marketing is not dead. It's one of the cheapest and most effective ways to build relationship and drive sales. If you are serious about digital marketing, you must learn how to write good emails, segment your audience, and use automation. Now, here's my challenge for you. Think of one email you received this week that made you actually click. Comment below what it was. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with your friends who still think email is only for office work. And of course, subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Alright, that is for today, and stay tuned for next episode. See you soon. Goodbye.